first tea party. Go for it. Are you sure? Are you having a tea party? Okay, better fill them up again. Better fill them up again. Put more tea in them. Sedona. So this is a private tea party. You have to be invited. I think she's expecting 5 guests, though. Say bye, George Washington. Bye, Georgie. Dude, it's George Washington. Isn't he the president? He's the president, right? And you've been to Mount Rushmore? Have you been to Mount Rushmore? Yes, you have, huh? You've been all the way across this continent. Are you a traveling girl? Get prepared for some more. Nice one. Whoa, that's me in the window right there. See that reflection? Scared the crap out of me just now. Alright. Alright. Mommy, go bye-bye. Camera, go bye-bye. Say I love you. Blow me kisses. Say I love you. Say I love you. Oh, wait a minute. What are we doing here? Oh, isn't that neat? Stand back up. Good girl. Wow. Well, you made that work, huh? That's pretty neat. Now what are you gonna do? Go bye-bye? Sedona. Sedona. Bye-bye.